we have a car you don't see every day, a 1963 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. This car came to us just as you see it. Of course, it's powered by its 413 V8 engine, which of course you need a few cubic inches to power a car that size. Now this car, you know, as we walk around it, you'll see it's got a good look to it, but it's by no means perfect. There's some paint flaws and things like this along the way, but hey, overall, and you can't beat black. These cars look the best in black, in my opinion. But this is one of Chrysler's higher-end luxury car back in the day. Get a look down this side. The chrome and brightwork is I would say, considering it's not restored, I would say it is in average to above average condition, but again, not perfect. And this four-door hardtop body style is really gaining in popularity across all the makes, GM, Chrysler, Ford, what have you. We'll take a look inside. All right, so one thing I did notice with this car is here are the controls for the power windows for the driver. That set of controls does not appear to be working. However, when I went to the other doors and did the individual window operation, those switches do work. Now, of course, these had push button transmission. And this is your park right here. And you would push whichever gear you want to go from there. And of course, everybody likes these oblong steering wheels. Looking at the odometer, it reads 54,000 miles. And here's your climate control. Of course, it was a factory AC car. Previous owner did install an aftermarket fuel gauge down there. I assume the one on the dash is not working. Interior, the upholstery is actually in pretty decent shape. Again, not restored. You can see that in the door jamb here, does show its wear, but the upholstery itself is actually in pretty nice shape. We'll check out the back door here. There we go. Did have seat belts added to the back seat. But again, like I say, if you look at the upholstery, it is in good shape as well. Headliner is original also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we got the hood open there. Give her a start it up. Fires right up, not too shabby. Okay. As I mentioned before, this car is powered by 413 V8. You can hear a little bit of an exhaust leak there. It's not quite as noticeable when it's warm, but anyways, you got power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning on this car as well. Car was in on consignment, and previous owner didn't want to tackle that, so they're reflecting that repair in the price of the car. So take a look and see what she sounds like back here. As I mentioned before, the paint on the car overall looks good. There are the paint is cracking on the roof. You can see that there. And there are still pictures of that as well on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, trade-ins are always welcome. Financing is available, and extended warranties are available also to help protect your purchase.